Okay, just being in this desert where there's a bunch of signs warning us to be careful so that we don't die on our innocent little 3-mile hike, I was thinking again about fear. And, I think I was talking about it as being a limiter in a way that could be construed as like a negative thing. But actually, fear is a very positive limiter too. When your instincts are telling you to be really careful when you're climbing around a bunch of huge boulders, because even though your car is within sight, you could still fall down, twist your knee, and be hidden behind one of these boulders until they find your remains 9 months from now, So fear can be a really legitimate limiter, and in the right situations, we should listen to our fear and we should be cautious. That's what I'm thinking.